In this video, we'll show you how to easily move and organize apps on your Android device. If you find this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Organizing your apps can be super handy, whether you want to reposition them, group similar ones together, or customize your layout. Let's dive right in. First, locate the app you want to move. This could be on your home screen or in your app drawer. If you need to add an app to your home screen, just press and hold it, then drag it to home. The app will appear there. To move an app, simply tap and hold it for a second, then drag it to your desired location. You can place it on a different screen or organize it at the bottom, like this. You get the idea. You can continue moving your apps around however you prefer. If you want to group apps together, press and hold an app, then drag it over to another app. This will create a new group. You can easily categorize your apps this way. If this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Be sure to check out our channel for more tips and tricks.